In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these JAMB commerce problems under the subtopic Promotion and Challenges of Tourism, a subtopic in ACE to Trade. I have about 6 repeated questions to practice in the video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, an important social reason for developmental tourism in Nigeria is the improvement of our balance of payment, encouragement of international relations, promotion of cultural interaction, provision of job opportunity. The right answer is option C, which is promotion of cultural interaction. Okay, very important. Next question, this one, it says, a major hindrance to tourism growth in Nigeria is inadequate tourist centers, lack of tourism master plan, absence of genuine tour operators, non-compliance to immigration laws. The right answer is option B, which is lack of tourism master plan. Okay, next question, this one, it says, the World Tourism Organization has its headquarters in Paris, Madrid, New York, London. The right answer is option B, which is Madrid. Okay, option B. Next question, this one, it says, the challenges of tourism include all except we have foreign poaching, imbalanced funding, seasonal fluctuation. We have united culture. The right answer is option D, which is united culture. This is an exception. Next question is this one, it says, the fear of any communities concerning tourism development is the we have religious intolerance, influence of foreign culture, fear of disease transmission, fear of pollution. The right answer is option B, which is influence of foreign culture. Next question and the last, which is this one, it says, a major hindrance of tourism growth in Nigeria is lack of tourism plan. So this is basically the answer. This is a repeated question. So guys, this is basically how you can do problems involving promotion and challenges of tourism, a subtopic in ACE to Trade for your JAMB commerce. So practice with 6 repeated questions for this subtopic. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share and comment on the video. Tell me how you feel for what you learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free leave a question in the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. So ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking on JAMB button. So be getting payment information that help you to excel on your SNE exams like your JAMB and other SNE exams will be right. Okay, so having done this, click the link screen above and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.